At Lucintel, we have conducted significant research into the thin films coating market. Today I'll share with you how we characterize this market as well as some of the dynamics at work and where we see opportunities. This thought leadership video is based on Lucintel's market research report on the thin film coating market. We have done significant secondary research and conducted primary interviews with players throughout the value chain of the thin film coating market to develop these insights. Before I share some of our analysis, let me briefly introduce myself and Lucintel. My name is Brandon Fitzgerald. I'm a director at Lucintel, and I've worked with over 100 companies in the areas of growth strategy and mergers and acquisitions. Lucintel is a management consulting and market research firm headquartered in Dallas, Texas. We offer services in the areas of market entry strategy, opportunity screening, due diligence, value chain analysis, and M&A for companies around the world. To summarize, we see the thin film coating market as being interesting. For example, the global thin film coating market is expected to reach $13.2 billion by 2025. That represents a compound annual growth rate of 4.1%, which is higher than GDP. Thin film coating opportunities have undergone a number of evolutions over time to get to the current adoption of bio-inspired metal polymer thin film that we see in use today. Currently, consumer electronics represents the largest end-use industry, whereas diamond-like coating is the largest product type. In terms of regions, the Asia-Pacific region offers the largest demand, followed by North America and then by Europe. If you look into the value chain, the ecosystem for the thin film coating market is comprised of a diverse group of companies. Now let me share with you our perspective on some of the key drivers and emerging challenges in this particular market. Some of the major drivers include increasing demand from electronics and from the solar energy industry. Some of the challenges include fluctuations in the raw material prices. In terms of emerging trends, we're seeing the development of thin coatings for flexible screens, as well as optical coatings, as being significant trends in the market. Now, as you've seen, Lucintel has examined different challenges, opportunities, and drivers in this particular market, and in order to compete effectively, our analysis indicates that companies could develop capabilities for flexible screen display and optical applications as a way to compete effectively. These insights are based on Lucintel's market research report on the thin film coating market. This report is designed to help you identify opportunities across different segments and applications as well as regions for your company. Lucintel has an extensive toolkit to address strategic questions such as, what kind of game-changer actions exist in the market? Is a more incremental approach to growth better? Or, where should I focus sales and marketing resources based on a voice of customer analysis? To answer these or other questions, please contact Lucintel. Thank you very much for listening to our video.